Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a problem that many people over 50 face: lower back pain. Have you ever woken up in the morning feeling that familiar ache, felt stiffness after sitting too long, or even simple movements like bending down to put on your shoes make your back tense and uncomfortable? If so, you are not alone. Over more than 30 years of working with patients, I've noticed that most lower back pain in people over 50 has a common root cause: the lumbosacral joint, the lowest joint in the spine, which is very prone to stiffness and inflammation. And what's interesting is that this often comes from poor sitting habits. We slouch back, especially on couches or in bed, which over time locks the joint and triggers pain. But here's the good news: there is a solution. And today, I want to share with you 4 simple but highly effective exercises that you can do right at home. These exercises help relieve pain, restore flexibility, and give your lower back a sense of lightness and freedom. First, let's talk about sitting posture. It's essential to sit all the way back in your chair, supporting the natural curve of your spine. Avoid lifting your legs while sitting in bed or slumping back too far. That small adjustment in posture can completely change how your back feels every day. Exercise 1. Elbow supported back extension, a gentle cobra pose. Lie face down on a firm surface and place your elbows under your shoulders, lifting your upper body gently. If it hurts, don't push. Move to the next exercise. But if it feels comfortable, hold this position for 30 seconds each day, gradually increasing to 1 minute. You can add gentle leg movements to improve flexibility. This exercise helps loosen a stiff lower back after a day of poor posture. Exercise 2. Lower back rotation. Lie on your back with your knees bent and thighs vertical. Slowly rotate your knees side to side as far as comfortable. Then, let one leg hang off the side of the bed or couch, face up, hands on your chest, allowing gravity to gently stretch your lower back. Hold each side for 20 to 30 seconds. This natural rotation opens the joint, much like professional therapy techniques, but is simple and safe to do at home. Exercise 3. Multifidus strengthening. Get on all fours, tighten your core slightly to keep your back straight, and lift the opposite arm and leg. Holding for 5 seconds, switch sides and repeat until you feel a light fatigue, 3 times per week. Remember, don't lift your knee above your hip or twist your back while lifting. Strengthening these deep spinal muscles helps prevent recurring lower back pain. Exercise 4. Pelvic stabilization. Stand on one leg and slowly make large circles with the other leg, lightly touching a wall for balance if needed. Repeat on the other side 3 times per week. When your pelvic muscles are strong, the lumbosacral joint stays aligned and less irritated. Combined with the first 3 exercises, the results multiply. A few final thoughts. There are no overnight miracles. Healing and relieving lower back pain takes patience and consistent practice. Do these exercises daily or several times a week, allowing your muscles, joints, and pelvis to adapt. Over time, you'll feel real change in your body. You don't have to live with back pain forever. With a little awareness of posture, a small daily investment of time, and these simple exercises, you can regain freedom and lightness in your lower back. If you want to feel a difference starting today, begin with the first exercise. And remember, your body deserves care every single day, and it's never too late to make a change. Thank you for listening. Share this video with anyone struggling with back pain, and let's walk together toward a life without back pain, freer, lighter, and healthier.